In this video, we will cover the available methods to send data to Mixpanel from your data warehouse, as well as the pros and cons of doing so. The pros of implementing via your data warehouse is that it leverages your existing data infrastructure, it provides a high degree of data trust, and it allows your team to centralize data governance. The cons of implementing via your data warehouse is that the data warehouse will require regular maintenance to transform and enrich your data, and there is a cost to consider by adding extra tools to your tech stack. Consider this method of implementation if your team is already gathering source of truth data in a data warehouse. If you currently store data in a data warehouse, Mixpanel provides a method to natively import data from BigQuery, Snowflake, Redshift, or Databricks into Mixpanel. The warehouse sync integration allows you to import both event and user data into your Mixpanel project via recurring syncs to ensure that your data in Mixpanel matches your trusted data source. There are a few high-level limitations for your team to be aware of when utilizing Warehouse Sync. The Warehouse Sync integration has an ingestion rate limit of about 30,000 events per second. Also, our Data Warehouse Sync feature is not a real-time sync. Instead, you choose a sync frequency of hourly, daily, or weekly, and we identify new events to import into your project based on a column that you map to insert time. This column should reflect a timestamp of when that event or row was added to your table. If you do not have a separate insert time column to map to, or are unable to include one, you can also map to the event timestamp, or you can add an updated at timestamp to your table, which should be the time at which a row was modified. We will use this as a watermark to import new events for subsequent syncs. Check out our docs for guidance on how to connect your respective warehouse to Mixpanel and begin syncing data into your project. Another option to send data from your data warehouse to Mixpanel would be to utilize a reverse ETL tool, such as Census, HighTouch, or Segment. These third-party tools will allow you to make any necessary transformations to the data and set up sync schedules to import data from your warehouse to Mixpanel. Please refer to the respective documentation of whichever reverse ETL tool your team chooses to utilize. If you have any questions, check out our docs, leave a comment, or join our Slack community. Thanks for watching.